What does SOC stand for in cybersecurity? SOC stand for Security Operations Center, or aka SOC. SOC is a team of cybersecurity professional that monitors the network and its systems to detect malicious cybersecurity events. Some of the main areas of interest of a SOC are vulnerabilities, policy violations, unauthorized activity, and network intrusions. Vulnerabilities. Whenever a system vulnerability, weakness, is discovered, it is essential to fix it by installing a proper update or patch. When a fix is unavailable, the necessary measures should be taken to prevent an attacker from exploiting it. Although remediating vulnerabilities is vital to a SOC, it is not necessarily assigned to them. Policy violations. A security policy is a set of rules required to protect the network and systems. For example, it might be a policy violation if users upload confidential company data to an online storage service. Unauthorized activity. Consider the case where a user's login name and password are stolen and the attacker uses them to log into the network. A SOC must detect and block such an event as soon as possible before further damage is done. Network intrusions. No matter how good your security is, there is always a chance for intrusion. An intrusion can occur when a user clocks on a malicious link or when an attacker exploits a public server. Either way, when an intrusion occurs, we must detect it as soon as possible to prevent further damages. Visit our channel for more topic about cybersecurity.